Hi everyone, I am Deborah, and I am here to share with you why I left YouTube and why I'm back and what the plans are moving forward. So, I have been on YouTube a long time, I'm sure like many of you, and I was posting content for paper crafting tutorials and how-tos and some other how-tos also that I wasn't very good at, which is fine. We can't all be good at everything, right? So I suddenly disappeared. And what happened is that I moved my craft space back inside the main house. And when I did that, things became really, really disorganized. And I made excuses not to make videos. I didn't have a workspace. I couldn't find the right tools. I couldn't find the items I wanted to craft with. I didn't feel good. Whatever the excuse was, I made an excuse and I didn't post anything. I didn't video anything. I didn't post anything, and my community didn't grow. So I'm back now, and my plan moving forward is to post 1 to 2 videos per week of paper crafting, card making, possibly scrapbooking. I tend to make more cards these days, and maybe some mixed media techniques on cards, maybe even on scrapbooking pages. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'm mostly card making these days, so we'll focus on that. I might do some other things here and there, and really it's about sharing techniques, sharing how-tos, and hopefully I can inspire you to make something pretty too. And while we're doing that, I plan to be on this YouTube journey for the long haul. I want to become a YouTube partner. And what that means is I need support from the community, meaning all of you, to like and subscribe, like my videos and subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends that you think would like it. That would really help me out. That would help a lot in growing my channel and helping to establish my presence in the world of YouTube. So my plan moving forward, like I said, is 1 to 2 videos a week, containing tutorials and how-tos, sharing card techniques and styles. And they're probably things you've seen before, but maybe there will be a couple that you haven't seen before. And I look forward to sharing those with you. I also have started couponing again. I don't know if any of you coupon, but there's an art to that, right? Like finding those deals. I think the hunt is what's intriguing, but I try to only stick to things that I really need and that my family will use. I'm not looking to stockpile and do whatever they do with all of that stuff that my family would never use. I have no desire to do that. I just want to get better deals on things, right? Like all of you, I'm sure. It would be great. But there are coupons, there are cash rebates, there are all kinds of incentives out there. You just have to know how to work the deals. So I might start a separate channel for that. I might not. More to come. Maybe. We'll see. I'm not very well. It's not that I'm not savvy with it, but I'm not real good at it yet. I find some of the deals, but my area is really apparently heavy with couponers. Because when I get to the store, they're wiped out. So I get very few of the deals, and it's kind of frustrating. So maybe I'll make a channel to share that with everyone. If you are a paper crafter, mixed media crafter, or a scrapbooker, comment below and let me know. If you are a couponer addict, a couponer pro, a couponer, maybe you have your own channel, make a comment below and let me know. I would love to hear from all of you, and I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe. Again, help me build that community. And as part of my journey forward, I would also like to share my YouTube stats with you. I mentioned earlier that I have 193 subscribers as of right now, and I look forward to continuing to share that growth with you and give you updates from time to time of where my channel is. When I become partner, is it monetized? What does that look like? What does that mean for a paper crafter? There are lots of videos out there that talk about being monetized and talk about how to do it, how long it takes, and what steps you need to take to get there. But there aren't a lot that are from the paper crafting community or the card making, scrapbooking community. I haven't found any, to be honest. I found some crafters, but it's not the same kind of craft. It's like, like a candle maker or, somebody like that. It's not a paper craft channel. So what I've learned is it's a different journey for every channel. It really depends on it really just depends on views, subscribers, getting word out, getting views on the channel is the big one. Once you meet the Once you meet the subscriber threshold, then you have a number of watch hour threshold, and we'll get there. And I'm looking forward to getting there together with you and continuing to build and share along the way. So thanks for joining me today. If you've stayed till the end, comment below with your favorite color. That will tell me that you made it to the end of the video and that you're as excited as I am to take this journey forward. See you next time. And until then, stay crafty. Bye now.